At the age of 10, I was raped, and I did not tell anyone. I did not tell my parents. I did not tell even a close friend. And then that's when I allowed the devil to use the sin of sexual immorality. So that's when I opened the gate of sexual immorality sin. In 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 18, and it reads, "Flee from sexual immorality. All other sins a man commits are outside his body, but he who sins sexually sins against his own body." So when I kept it as a secret, when I did not tell anyone that I was raped, the